G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Today I'm in Ojai, California. Well, actually it's a little outside of Ojai. Ojai is where I'm going, but the car wash that I'm going to is Oakview, I believe, and it's the only self-serve car wash in this town. It's a small town, not really sure how big it is, but we're gonna go check it out because that's what I do when I go to different towns. I check out self-serve car washes, I see what they charge, I see what it's like, and I see how the soap comes out and see if there's any ideas. You know, it's always good to check out other self-serve car washes nearby and very far away. You know, you've never seen everything. So that's what I like to do. So let's go ahead to Oakview Car Wash. Now just arriving to this car wash. I think it's a 3-bay and maybe an automatic. Can't really tell. I'm gonna have to go check it out. It could be 4 self-serve bays, but so far I see some pretty good things and I see some other things that could need improving. So let's go ahead, see how many hoses in the bays, see what they got. We're gonna test it, we're gonna see what works, how much soap comes out, and all the fun stuff to do with self-serve car washes. I see 3 hoses in the bays. Here we have Hog's Airbrush, good for them. 1 thumbs up, one thing they're doing right. They use these ones, but these ones, they're not wide braided, so people can just come along and cut them and they take them. So if they're wide braided, they can't cut them. So that's why I like to use wide braided. Otherwise, these ones, yes, they're cheaper, but if you have problems with people cutting your hoses and taking them, use wide braided. Here we have the high pressure gun. It's a non-weep. So I would switch that to a weep. Probably creates a lot of pressure on the cap pump with all that water stored up. Again, I'm no expert, but I use weep and most car washes do. Non-weep, not good. In my opinion. Air dryers, what the, oh my goodness, they have air dryers. Incredible. Air chamois. Pull the trigger and it gets more powerful. Moving on to the functions, the coin box. Very small, very basic. 8-function rotary switch. Yes, they do have credit cards. They got the swipe and the tack. No bill acceptors, not 100% necessary. Let's go ahead. $3.75. Insert 15 quarters. Just go to $4. I don't know how much time that gets you. I'm not sure. So let's go ahead, put some money in and test it. And for those of you who, I think it was my last video about the mud, look what sign they have here. No heavy mud washing or mud deposits. This car wash owner doesn't like the mud, and I don't blame him. He is serious about it. Violators will be prosecuted to the full extent of the law. See, that's how much this guy hates heavy mud trucks. And I explained why. Obviously, it fills up the pits, costs him a lot of money to pump them out. Car wash bay, this bay will be down if it's completely covered in mud. So I get it. But again, there's no way to police that. He's got cameras. What's he gonna do? Follow up, get their license plate, call the cops. Cops ain't gonna care. Just gotta respect his well wishes. Good thing the car's not muddy. Guess I get to use it. They do have a foamer for the foam brush, so hopefully it's gonna be nice and foamy. Insulated tubing. Why am I still in the bay? Let's get out of the bay. Let's go to the bill changer and get some tokens. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. And this is why I was confused. It used to be a tunnel. Clearly it used to be a tunnel, but they've turned it into a self-serve bay. Very long bay, maybe for trailers or whatever, but definitely used to be an automatic. Interesting. Tokens, he uses tokens like moi. 1 token is $1. So I should get 5. If I can count correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4. $1.75. Credit cards on the vending machines, it's pretty cool. No button, no coin mechanism, just swipe it and it falls and drops. So let's do this thing. What are we going to start on? Any tire cleaner? There we go. Engine and tire cleaner. Very nice, no coin jams. 3, 4, 5. What? $5 for 4 minutes? Just under 4 minutes? That's so expensive. Nah, that's pissed me off. It's $3.75, which is like $2.50 minutes or something. I put in $5 and I got 3 minutes and 58 seconds, not even 4 minutes. And the tire cleaner is not even coming out yet. It came out now, so it's 20 seconds. That was 30 seconds to get some tire cleaner out. That's way too expensive. And that's why there's no one here. It's a beautiful sunny Saturday and there's one car in there and me. Well, I better hurry. Let's rush through this. What do we got? Let's go to the foam brush. See how that works. For $3.75 for less than 4 minutes, it better come out pretty damn good. And it comes out like crap. Come on. Turn the air down. Get some more liquid in there. Not cool, man. Not cool. Alright, I'm over it. If you're going to charge this much, have a good product. High pressure soap. Oh, 2 minutes left after putting $5 in with the non-weep gun. Soap. We want soap. Where's the soap at? There we go. Soap is good. Wouldn't change it. Good amount. Not too heavy, not too light. Well, I got less than 2 minutes left. Tried that. Air dryer is air dryer. Sounds good. That's okay. Probably about 70% of what mine are, so it's not crazy powerful. Let's check the wax, high pressure sealant. Obviously I'm not washing my car, I'm just testing out the stuff. That's the high pressure soap. Line is clear now. And we're looking for wax. There's my 1 minute warning. I don't even have time to get the wax out. Let's just rinse the car off and that's $5. Biggest rip off ever. One stop. And there you have it. Well, like I said, it's a beautiful, sunny, probably 70 degrees. It's Saturday. Yes, it's a small town. It's not crazy busy road. I mean, it's one of the busiest roads in Ojai, or not even Ojai. Where am I? I'm here in Ojai, but this is Oakview Car Wash. So I'm guessing we're in Oakview. And again, it's the only car wash in town and no one's really here. Soap brush didn't really work. It was just way too watery, way too expensive. I put it was $3.75 to start, and I put in $5, and I'm expecting, minimum 5 minutes, should be 6. I got 3 minutes and 58 seconds. By the time the tire cleaner came out, I was down to 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So again, very expensive. I put $5 in and I could barely had enough time to wash my car. I didn't even use the soap wash on the whole car. I just did a half a side. Imagine if I did the whole thing. Yes, I'm filming, takes a little longer, but you get the gist. You'd probably have to put in probably $7 or $8 to get the 8-9 minutes that you need to actually use the functions to wash your car. So again, only car wash in town, no competition. This is kind of what you get. They kind of run the market. And again, it's Saturday, 4-bay self-serve car wash. Should be busy, should be all bays full, hopefully cars waiting. Yes, it's a quiet little town. I don't know the population, 8,000 maybe. I have no idea, I'd have to look it up. Let me look it up and put it right here on the screen. There's the population of, I forgot where I am, Oakview. So that's the population of Oakview, California, a little small town. It's not gonna make what a busy Los Angeles car wash is gonna make on a busy road. But you can see those cars going by. No one's pulling in to wash it because they all know. So he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's got 5 vacuums, 2 on 1. It's a mighty vac. And that is a mighty vac. He's got the credit cards on there, nicely secured so no one can break in. Hoses are pretty clean, nozzles are pretty clean, probably because no one uses them. $2. So I'm charging that in Los Angeles at my Fontana location. All the other ones are pretty much $1, $1.50 at the other one, but $2 here. That's pretty much what I was expecting based on the charges of the in bays. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, bunch of vending machines. So another customer pulled in, and there you have it. 4-bay self-serve car wash in Oakview, California, right near Ojai, on a pretty busy road, probably the busiest road in Oakview. So, and the only self-serve car wash in Oakview. Well guys, there you have it. One little 4-bay self-serve car wash in Oakview/Ojai, California. You guys saw it. Things worked. Some things I would change. A lot of things I would change. But a lot of things were pretty done right too. So soap brush sucked. The weep gun always throws me off. You know, it's always, I like to have a weep gun versus non-weep. And the pricing, $3.75. I'm not even sure how much that gets you, but I put in the $5 and I got 3 minutes and 58 seconds. $5 for 4 minutes, basically. So that's a little expensive. By the time the tire cleaner came out, I had 3.5 minutes. I said this previously. So, little letdown. Like I said, seen better, seen way worse. So, glad I can share, guys. Well, thanks for coming along. It's a cute little town. It's autumn. The leaves are falling. They're orange. And it's a cute little town, a nice little escape from the Los Angeles hustle and bustle. So I'm Chris Atkins. Thanks for watching the Car Wash Chronicles.